So right now we're trading with $1 as the first trade. According to our Excel sheet, I'll place $1. So I just take a trade with $1. According to our Excel sheet, $1. If this is successful, the second trade will be $1.9. That is what I'll be using in the second trade. So my first trade is $1. I'm supposed to take 10 trades, but for this example, I'll just use only 3 trades or 4. Then we can continue from there. So sorry, there was disconnection from my internet source, so sorry about that. But you can see that we won the first trade. So certainly we are going on to the second trade. So according to my Excel sheet here, that we'll be using 1.9 in the second trade. So I will now switch. According to the Excel sheet, that we use 1.9 in the second trade. So welcome back. There was quick interest. There was network failure. So right now I want to start the second trade. So my second trade, according to the Excel sheet, which is this place, I'm to use 1.9 in my second trade. So right now I will change all So right now we change everything to second trade. Okay, so that is it. I'll change all the amount to 1.5, 1.9 rather. So I'm waiting for signal to take the second trade. If I can take this trade successfully up to 10 trade, I'm supposed to get This seems like a signal, but it's not really perfect, so I'm not taking this trade. I will just wait. I'll wait for one more candle. It doesn't really look perfect. It may work, but it doesn't look perfect, so I'll wait for a perfect signal before taking the trade. So I just placed a trade, $1.9. Okay, I expect this candle to be green. So to use 3.6 in my next trade. From what we have already shows that I will win this second trade. So we are going on to the third trade by using 3.6 in my third trade. Possibly we'll have 5 straight winning, and then at least $24 today, and we shall call it a day. Today is Friday. We don't trade too much on Fridays. So many people don't even trade on Friday because of the volatility in the market on Fridays. Now you can see from my balance right now I have 22.88 cents dollar. So let's go on to the third trade. So what I'm doing is what we call compounding. Place one trade and you win it successfully. You add both the gain and the capital together and place the second trade. So you can just turn $1 into $100 in a day, $1 into $300 in a day. If your accuracy is high, you can do this. But if it is not high, you know you hardly win a trade. If you're placed like 10 trade, you win like 5, losing 5, then I don't advise this. Less than 15 minutes ago and we are winning the trade. So if we win this trade successfully, we go on to stage number 4. Stage number 4 is 6.9. So we have to take just 5 trades today. So I already have $6 just today. And in Nigeria, $6 is 6 times 460. That's about 2,800 naira just today, just sitting in front of my computer. All right. volatility in the market right now is too high. It's not advisable to take a trade at this stage. Volatility is too high. It's too high. You can see the way the candles are moving. So no matter how good you are, it's advisable that you be careful with the market. Okay, the volatility right now is too high. So I'll wait a little. If there's a space to pick, I'll pick, but with the way of things, the way I'm seeing things, the volatility is too high. It's too high, it's too high. I may not take another trade. Remember, today is Friday. Alright, because of the volatility that is rather too high and the market, I decide to stop at this stage. I was supposed to take just 5 trades, but today is Friday and the volatility in the market is too high, so I don't want to overtrade because of Friday. Not that we don't trade Fridays, but most times volatility in the market may be too high and it is not advisable to gamble with your money. So I want to say that the reasons why many people lose trade while trading binary options or forex trading is one is try to revenge the market, try to take revenge. At times when you lose a trade, you are pursuing the trade, you want to recover so fast. By so doing, you end up losing more trades and then maybe wiping off your account. So that is one of the reasons why many people lose their money while trading binary options or forex trading. You try to push the market, you try to recover so fast. You don't force the market. You play or you trade rather by the rule. Another reasons why many people lose money while trading binary options or forex trading is try to see binary option as as a fast way to make money. You want to make money very fast, thereby gambling your money. Yes, I have $20 to start and now I have 26, so 6.45 cents to my account. So I think that is okay for a day, at least with a capital of $20. So if I have a capital of $100 for instance, then certainly I'll be having up to like $160. I think that is perfect. That is perfect. So you don't need to push the market too far. As long as you can make increase every day is perfect. So go slow, go gradually, and then you reach your goal. Don't try to get the whole thing in a day. It's not advisable. You can see what I have here in my Excel worksheet. In this place I have a capital of $20 and I'm to achieve $700, 766 in 20 days. So taking just 20% of it in 20 days. But please, this is supposed to be 5% because it was adjusted. This is supposed to be 5% trading. So I'm to take just 5 trades in a day. Okay, you can see from the Excel chart I'm to take 5 trades in a day, and if I have the 5 trades successfully, I'm supposed to have up to $4 to my account, a profit of $4 in a day. And if I have that every day, 20% of my initial capital, and every day at the end of the 20 days I'm to have $766. So that is perfect. Another reason why people lose their money while trading binary options or forex trading is they see it as a game. They don't see it as business. They don't see it as job. They see it as a game. And when you see it as a game, you gamble your money, and then you end up losing the entire invested money. So you don't see it as a game. This is a business. There are people that take this as their business. People take it as their business, and people trade every day. For me, for instance, I don't trade every day, but at least 3 or 4 times a week I trade, and I end up winning. I'm having up to like maybe $10, $20, $40, just like that every day. At times I compound and have up to like $100 in a day, $160 a day, using just $1 or $2. So that is how to trade. Take it as a job, take it as a business. Another thing we need to know is that nobody, no matter how perfect you are, that cannot lose a trade. That is why many people lose their money. They see that when they lose a trade, they want to fight back as if it's a bad thing to lose a trade. It is not bad. Okay? Nobody can boast and say, since I started trading, I've never lost a trade. It is not possible. Okay? You can place 5 trades and lose maybe 1 or maybe 2. So if you can have 80%, over 80% of your trade, okay, it's good. You're good to go. You make great profits every day. So don't see it as you are a bad person, you are not good, you are this by losing a trade. No. If you lose a trade, take it easy on yourself. Take a walk around, just try to free yourself from the loss, and then come back and continue. If you see you cannot continue, off the market for that day, and then the next day you can continue. Another thing I quickly want to say is that this market is always on from Monday to Friday, so it's not something you need to fight. If you cannot gain reasonable money today, tomorrow you may gain more. There are some days I gain about $60 in a day. There are some days I gain just $5, and I go out of the market. Like yesterday, for instance, I have just $10 all in total. At first I have just 6 point something dollar. I withdrew it. Later I have $4 or thereabouts. I withdrew it also. So you can have just $5 in a day, $200 in a day, $20 in a day.